Hey, this is Chapter 1, Lesson 5, Place Value Through the Thousands. Our goal for today is I can read and write decimals in standard form, word form, and expanded form. This is very similar to when we did whole numbers, writing them in standard form, word form, and expanded form, but now we're just going to use decimals. Our vocabulary that we're going to focus on today is standard form. That's just the usual or common way of writing a number using digits. For example, 10 and 49/100ths, it just looks like digits. Expanded form, a way to write a number as the sum of the values of its digits to show the place value. So for example, we have our whole number 10. Then we have, we're adding our value, which is 4/10, and to that we're adding another value of 9/100ths. Word form, a way of writing a number using words. So example, 10 and 49/100ths. So you've seen the place value chart for whole numbers, and it can be used to extend or include decimals. So in this one, we have our whole number 59 to the left, and to the right of the decimal, that's where we have our decimal place values. So in word form, we would write this 59 and 68/100ths. Expanded form, it would be 50 plus 9, that's our whole numbers. And then to that, we're going to add our part of a whole, or our decimals. So 6/10 plus 8/100ths. So let's look at the value of each decimal. So if you see the arrow pointing to the 6, to the digit 6, it's in the tenths place. So its value is 6/10. The same with the 8. It's in the hundredths place. Its value is 8/100ths. So the place of the digit of the decimal. So let's look at the number 7. Notice that the digit 7 is underlined. The digit 7 is in the thousandths place. The value is written like this, 7/1000ths. So let's practice. Write 5 and 614/1000ths in standard form and expanded form. As soon as you get done practicing that, then press play or pause it and then press play for the answer. Standard form. Remember, that's just the usual way we write numbers. So you have 5 as your whole number, and then to the right of the decimal, we see 614/1000ths. So we say it like we see it, but then we add that place value to the end. Expanded form, 5 is our whole number, plus the value of the tenths place, which is 6, plus the value of the hundredths place, which is 1, and plus the value of the thousandths place, which is 4. I know this was a very quick introduction, but we've been working with decimals a lot, especially with comparing decimals and converting them to fractions and looking at all those. So this is just like a quick little review. Our learning scale today, 3, I can read and write decimals in standard form, word form, expanded form, and short word form with no help at all. I'm good. I'm a 2. I'm starting to be able to read, write, in decimals in standard form, word form, expanded form, and short word form, but I have a few questions that I need to ask. I'm really still not 100% clear. Or a 1, I cannot read or write decimals in standard form, word form, expanded form, or short word form, and I have a lot of questions. So come to class with those questions tomorrow, and we will be ready to review the lesson.